Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can wrap a text around the picture on Canva. So for instance, if you want to have your picture look like this, so it is a rectangle, then in order to create a text that is wrapped around it, then of course, sadly, you need to do that manually. So for instance, maybe not this one, but I can use this text over here, and then you kind of need to place it like above the text. Then you want to create another text box, move it to the right, rotate it 90 degrees, and then adjust it like so. And of course, then you need another one, place it below, rotate it 180 degrees, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, it takes quite a bit of time in order to do so. However, if you plan to use, for instance, a round picture, and in order to do that, we can also use frames. So if you have a rectangle image, you can still use a frame in order to make it round. So let's go to the elements over here on the left side. Over here you will have frames, and here you should find a circle frame. If you cannot see it, you can click on see all, where you will find every frame that is on Canva. And in basic shapes you should find this frame over here. And if I click on it, then I can add it. Now I can drag and drop my picture into the frame like so. Now let's go back to the text, and then let's choose this time a subheading just as an example. Now, while having the text box selected, we can go to effects, and then over here in shape we have curve. And if we select it, then we can of course adjust the curve. And as you can see, I can try to reposition it, and right now it looks pretty good if I set it to 56 or so. So now the text is wrapped around the picture pretty good. And of course, if I add a different text, let's make it a little bit longer. And then if I click outside, then as you can see, it still wraps pretty good. And if you want to, you can select the text and then go to spacing over here next to the effects. And if you go over here, you have letter spacing and line spacing. And if you choose letter spacing, you can drag it out like so and make it completely round if the text is not long enough. The spacing doesn't do anything in this case. However, you can still do the line spacing. The letter spacing still works fine. So you can use that as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.